This thing is huge. I've got the lid bypass so we can run it with the lid open. It's got a flip up keyboard. It's got a screen here. Disk drive right here. This is just a monitor. And so I've got this in the word processing part, and I'm going to print it. And we print that by right here in the keyboard. Right here, this print button. So we go code, print, and the machine is going to start printing. Well, I got to press return one more time. Get this to activate. Press return. Gotta press it twice. There we go. So here we go. Kicks the paper out when it's done. Not bad. Not bad. It looks like a 1988 model. I didn't want it to kick the paper out, but you know, these things have a mind of their own. It works. It's just really dirty. It was shipped in a crate, and I'm going to take a look and clean this thing today. Let's see if we can get this thing working a little better. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.